In this video, I'll show you guys how to create a YouTube channel step by step. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell in order not to miss our upcoming videos. Without wasting much your time, let's get started. So once you go to YouTube, that is on the page, you click at the left hand side of the page, that is, you click on sign in. Once you are here, you can either sign in with your word if you have an existing email address. So you can simply insert your existing email address. If you have an existing email address, you can simply insert it here. Or if you don't have, you simply click on what create an account. So you can create an account for yourself or you can create an account for your business. So I'll simply click on what for myself, which is going to take me to another page where I will need to insert my what my first name. So after that, I'll insert my what the email address, or I can click here create a new address. So I'll click there. So I'll simply insert. So once I'm done with that, I'll simply insert my words, my password. That is, I'll create a new password. After that, I'll click on what next. I'll simply insert my telephone number. After that, I insert my word a recurring email address. It is optional, so it depends on you. After that, I'm going to insert my month. Once I'm done with that, I insert my date, so my year. After that, my agenda, email. So once I'm done with all of that, I need to click on what on next. Once I click on next, I'll say click yes I am. So after that, I'm going to agree all the policy. That is, I'll accept all the policy. I'll click on what I agree. So once you're done with that, you have logged in with your what with your email address. So this is your YouTube account. So I'll simply click, for me to now create my channel, I'll simply click at this icon here at the left hand side. So that's it. That is, I'll click on create a channel. So after that, I'll click on what get started. So you can either use your default name, that is the name in which you use to create your email address, or you can create a new name that is your customer name. So I'll simply choose on what create a customer name. So I'll click here. So once I'm done with that, I'll simply insert my customer name. So I'll simply After that, I'm going to click on what I agree. So once you are done with that, you click on create. So this is it. You can either upload your profile picture, that is your cover picture. You can upload your cover picture, and you can give a brief description about your channel, that is putting a right keyword. So that's it. Simply insert your description, what your channel is all about. After that, you can simply add your your website if you have one. So after that, you can insert your social media links, that is your Facebook, your Twitter link, and your Instagram link. So once I'm done with that, you can click on save and continue, or set up later. So I'll simply click on save and continue. So this is your YouTube channel already created.